Standard 8 Maths Chapter 11 Mensuration. So in this video we will start with exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. So the first question is there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires lesser amount to make? Okay. Okay, so these are two figures. So figure A is this is 60 centimeter, this is 40 centimeter, and this is 50 centimeter. In case this is L, this is B, this is H. So this is figure 1. Now figure 2, this is not exactly a cuboid, this is a square because all the three dimensions are same. So it can be treated as square, sorry, cube. So this is 50, this is 50, and this is 50. This is figure B. So in order to calculate the amount of material, first we are since it is a hollow, so we need to calculate the surface area because all the six surfaces has to be made from a specific material. So first we will calculate the total surface area both the figure. For figure A, total surface area, I'm just writing TSA. I've given the formula, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So we will just put the values. L is 60 into H, that is 40, plus B into H, that is 40 into 50, plus H into L, that is 60 into 50. So this is 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. So this is 2 into 7400, and this is 14800 centimeter square. Now for figure B. So this is total surface area of a cube. So it was 6 into side square because all the six faces are identical. So this is 6 into 50 square. This is 6 into 2500, and this 15,000 centimeter square. So which this much area is, this much value of material is required for figure B, and this is the value required for figure A. So figure A requires smaller area. Clear? Now next question. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 24 centimeters to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? So we have got a box. So this length is 80 centimeter. This is breadth, and this is 48 centimeter, and this is height. This is 24 centimeter. Okay. So first we will calculate the total surface area because that tarpaulin cloth has to be wrapped all over the cuboidal box. So this is question number 2. Total surface area of cuboid. This is 2 into. Okay, so we have to calculate the total surface. So first is total surface area of cuboid. This is LB, BH plus LH. So just put the values. L is 80 and B is 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. This is 2 into 0, 384. This is 1152 plus this is okay. This is 2, 4, 5, 9 or 2, 11. 1 carry 9, 1, 10, 19, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 4, this is 2, this is 8 and this is 13. So this is the total surface area of this cuboidal box. Now there is a tarpaulin cloth. So this is we have to calculate the length of tarpaulin cloth. So suppose this is a cloth. Okay, it has got some width. Okay, so it will have definitely a width. Doesn't matter however minute it is. It has got some width, and we have to calculate the area, or we have to calculate the length of this. Suppose this is the total cloth, and I have to wrap around this cuboidal box. So its total area will be equal to the curved total surface area of this box, because it has to be wrapped around this. So this concept will apply to the area of tarpaulin cloth will be equal to the total surface area of cuboid. Tarpaulin cloth, this is a rectangular figure, so length we have to calculate. Width we have 96 centimeter and this is be equal to 13824. So from here length we will calculate. So from here length we will calculate 144 centimeter. So 144 centimeter of tarpaulin cloth will be required to make this or to cover this box. Okay, I hope this is clear. Main thing that has to be kept in mind, this area of tarpaulin cloth, which is rectangular in shape, will be equal to the total surface area of cuboid, because it has to be wrapped around that particular box. Clear? Now next question. Question number 3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square. So it is very simple. Total surface area of cube. So the total surface area of cube is given to us. The formula for the same is 6 into side square. Okay, or 6 into a square if we are considering a as the side. And value of this 6a square is given to us 600. Okay, so a square will be 600 upon 6, that is 100. So a will be under root 100 and value of square root or under root of 100 is 10. So the side of square is 10 centimeter. Clear? Now next question. Question number 4. Ruxar painted the outside of a cabinet measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Okay. So again this is a cuboidal. Clear? So this is 1 meter. This is breadth is 2 meter and this is height is 1.5 meter. So what she did, she has painted all the surface except the bottom of this surface. Now there are two methods. Either you calculate the area of four walls and add the area of top, or you calculate the total surface area and subtract the area of the bottom. Clear? So this is both approach can be done. So now first we will calculate total surface area of this cuboid. So it is 2 LB plus BH plus LH. So put the values 2 into L into B. This is 1 into 2 plus B into H, 2 into 1.5 plus this H into L, that is 1.5 into 1. So this is 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 1.5. So this is 2 into 4.5 and it comes out in 9 meter square. And we have to calculate all the area except the base. So area of bottom will be this L into B. So L into B, that is equal to 1 into 2, that is 2 meter square. So the required area which she has to paint, or which she is going to paint, required area will be total surface area minus area of bottom. So this was 9 and this is 7 2. This is 7 meter square. So this much area she is going to paint. Now next question. Question number 5. So what is question number 5? Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height equals to 10 meters, 5, 15 meter, 10 meters, 7 meter respectively. From each cane of paint 100 meter square area is painted. That means one cane is utilized in painting 100 meter square of the area. So we have to calculate the number of canes which is required to paint the room. So first we draw the figure. So since this is a cuboidal shape, so this is L and this is 15 meter, this is 10 meter and height is 7 meter. So he has painted all except the ceiling, 4 walls plus ceiling of the cuboidal hall. So we have to calculate the area required. So a required area will be area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Area of 4 walls I have explained, that was perimeter into height, perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base was 2 into L plus B into height, that is H, plus area of ceiling will be this surface, that is L into B. Now put the values, which is 2, L is 15, B is 10 and H is 7. This is 15 into 10. So this value is 2 into 10 plus 15, 25 into 2, 50, 50 into 7, that is 35, 350. So this is somewhat 2 into 25 into 7. This is 50 and into 7. So this way we have got this 350 plus 15 into 10, that is 150, and the total value is coming 500 meter square. So this much area of this much total area has to be painted. Now one cane can paint 100 meter square of area. So number of okay. So one cane of paint can paint 100 meter square of area. So number of cane required will be total area, that is 500 upon 100, because one cane paint 100 meter square of area. So it is come out 5 canes. This is canes, that is the box, and can is something other, that was a modal verb. So 5 canes of paint required. So there are 5 canes of paint that is required to total surface area. So remaining question we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.